Hello students. So today we are going to learn programming with Python. This is the second part, and today I'm going to introduce if-else statement. Okay, so let's start with this. So we'll do our program in Replit. So if-else statement means if, first of all, in case of if the condition gets satisfied, then the block of statement or a single line statement will execute, or if the condition don't get satisfied, in case of that, the else part will be executed. Okay, so this is our REPL, and I think I'm zooming it a little bit. I think now it is visible. Yes, this one. So it look like this: if, then we'll give some condition, okay, then colon, then here we'll write say block 1, and after that one else colon, here we'll write block 2. So so if this condition, if part condition gets satisfied, then block 1 get execute, and if this condition fails, then the block 2 get executed. Okay, this is how if-else statement works. Okay, let us write our first program with if-else. Say if age is greater than 18. First of all, for that one we need to take age as user input. So we're going to take age as user input. So age equals to int input enter your age. Okay, now we are taking age as user input. Now this statement, age is greater than 18. So if it becomes true, this statement will execute. So you are eligible to vote. Okay, now if it fails, that means age is not greater than 18, then this else block will execute. Okay, so here our print statement is you are not eligible to vote. Okay, cool. Now if we run the program from here, so here it is asking me enter your age. Say I'm giving your age as 16. Okay, and when I'm giving age as 16, this set of statement will execute. You are not eligible to vote. Okay, and again, see, again I'm running the program, and if I give my age as 34, in that case the else block statement will execute. You are eligible to vote. Okay, if age is greater than, no, this time the if block statement will get execute. Previously it was the else block what executed. So this is how if-else statement works. Now I'm showing you another program. So here we are going to find out the difference of two numbers. Enter a number. We are going to find out the difference of two numbers in positive terms. That means we are just concerned about the difference, not the sign. So how we can do it? Say we are going to take input from the user, two numbers, another number, two numbers. So from user we are taking input for these two numbers, number 1 and number 2. Now if number 1 greater than number 2, colon, print, or we just can find out the difference. Difference equals to num1 minus num2. Okay, now in the else block, we'll make difference equals to num2 minus num1. Okay, so when the control will go to else block, when num2 is greater than num1 in that case, and we are finding the difference as num2 minus num1, so again it will be positive. Now from outside this if else block, I'm going to print the value. Okay, print the difference is equals to, my variable was difference, diff. Now let's run the program. Enter a number, say it is 23, another number, say 34, and here the difference is 11. Though here num1 is less than num2, num1 when less than num2, control is coming to the else block, and here this statement get executed, num2 minus num1, and hence we are printing this the value of difference outside this if else block. Okay, so this is how it works. We can do another program, say I'm going to check whether a number is positive, negative or 0, so I need only one number for that one. I don't need this statement. So if I want to block this statement, one hash is enough, the beginning of the statement here. Sorry, 1 minute. Here one hash is enough to block the statement. So I have taken input for this statement num1. Now if num1 greater than 0, print positive number. Okay, now here we are going to use the nesting of if else. That means for this if, there might be one else statement, within this else we can write one if statement. It's like that. Now we are joining this if and else to make one else if statement, and in case of Python we name it as elif. Elif, then as because if has conditions, we will write the condition. Okay, so elif num1 less than 0, print negative number. Okay, negative number. And for the last if, there might be one else statement for the last if, so this else, print you have entered 0. Okay, now let's see how it works. So enter the number, say I'm entering 24, so positive number. That means the if block statement get executed in this case. Again I'm running the program and I'm entering minus 45. So here the else block statement, negative number get executed. Again I'm running 0. So here this last else block get executed. So this is how Python program runs. Okay, so here you come to know the new keyword, that is elif. Okay, now next one is, after this if else, we can use a 4 function calculator. Okay, for a 4 function calculator we need two numbers upon which we will calculate. So again I'm opening this statement by removing this hash. So number 1 and number 2, these two are my input. Now I'll ask the user another variable we need, that is the operator. Okay, so we'll take that one as string, so only input function will use. Enter any of the operator. Okay, enter any of the operator. Now in the operator list we can give plus, minus, star as multiplication and division. Okay, these are my operators. Enter any of them. Now here in the if statement we will check if we'll compare strings, if op equals to, as because it is a string, so we'll compare in this way, op equals to plus colon, wait a minute, colon, if op equals to plus result equals to num1 plus num2. Now again we are going to use the elif statement. Elif op, sorry, here we have to use one equal sign to compare. Okay, if op equals to say minus, in that case if we just want to find out the difference, so for that one with one colon is there, 3 equal has been given, yes, op equal to minus, then we will check if num1 greater than num2, result equals to num1 minus num2, else result equals to num2 minus num1. Okay, so we'll get a positive result in this case. Elif if op equals to say this sign star, okay, op equals to star, so we'll do multiplication in this case. Okay, elif op equals to star, so result equals to num1 into num2. This is result. Okay, if op equals to star, again elif op equals to this symbol, so in this case result equals to here again we have to check one thing. If num2 equals to 0, if num2 equals to 0, then we cannot divide a number by 0, so print division by 0 not allowed. Okay, this one. Now in the else part of this, if else result equals to num1 divided by num2. Now after this one, if someone enter some other operation, like apart from this plus, minus, star or division, so that will write in the else block. Else this elif should be here, this elif should be, see, in case of Python programming, this indentation is very important, otherwise everything will have some different meaning and it will show you some syntax error. So always be attentive about this indentation. Okay, how you are writing the program. Anyway, else print you have entered some wrong operation. Okay, now let's see how it works. Enter a number, say I'm entering 123. Enter another number, say I'm entering 35. Enter the operation, say I want to find out the sum of these two. And oh sorry, I forgot to print the result, so print result equals to result. Okay, now we can see the result. So I'm running the program again. Enter the number 123, another number 35, and the operation is plus. Now if it plus, then the result is 158. Now if I run this program again, say 23 my first number, second number is 46, okay, and the operation is minus. If I give minus, so first number is less than the second number, yes, 23. That means it is coming in minus, and then again it is checking number 1 is not greater than number 2, so control is coming in the else block here. Number 2 greater than number 1, okay, number 2 greater than number 1, so we'll get a positive result. Again say enter number, say 24 is the number, and I want to divide it by say 6, or say 0. Let's see what is the result comes. Division, and division by 0 is not allowed. Okay, that means this part, division by 0 is not allowed. When num equals to 0, division by 0 is not allowed. So this will become the output. It will be number 1t. I don't know from where it came. Anyway, next one is enter number. I want to find out, we are performing division, so whether it is giving one decimal result or always it is giving some integer result. We are going to find out that one. Say I am going to divide 45. Okay, I'm going to divide 45 by 6. So the operation is division, and yes, the result whatever it is giving, it is in decimal. That means float value. Okay, so this was our program. Now after this one, I'll show you something something new. That one is import calendar. Okay, import calendar. So there is a module named as calendar. Why it is not working? There is a module named as calendar. Now we are going to import that module, calendar. Okay, now for this module I'm going to find whether some functions, as because in case of a module so many functions are there. So after importing it, I'm going to print, it should be here, print from there. Calendar is the module name, calendar dot say week header, and I'm giving 2 here. Let's see what comes, the output box. Yes, so here the week headers are coming, as because Python weeks are coming starting from Monday, so it is giving more Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like this. Now if I use 3 letters, if I need to say it in 3 letters, I have to give 3. So if I run it, it will show this one, 3-letter week headers. Okay, now again if I want to use, let me give one blank print statement, yes, for one gap. If I use first weekday, print calendar module name dot first weekday. Okay, first weekday function, and the result will be zero. So it is actually giving, the result is actually giving the index of the first weekday Monday. So it starts from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, like in this way. Okay, so it starts from 0. We'll see. Control-V. Yes. Now after this one, say yeah, we can use this one, print calendar dot month. For month, it is a month of 2020, and January, February, March, April, May. 5. Yes, 5. Month number is 5. So if I get this one, yes, so it is beautifully, it is printing the month of May. Okay, month of May. Again, Control-C, Control-V, yeah, another blank statement. If I again want to print, if I use this one, calendar dot month calendar, if I use this one, month calendar, in case of month calendar, first year 2020, then month. Here it also it is showing the syntax. 2020, month is 5. So if I give this one, again it is printing in this way. It is actually in a 2D array. See, these are 0 0 4 zeros, then 1 2 3. This is actually one 1D array, right? 4 zeros for 1 2 3 4, up to Thursday 4 zeros, then 1 2 3. Again next 1D array is like this, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is another array. Then this one is actually collection of this 1D arrays. That means it is one 2D array. So when I'm giving this one, calendar dot month calendar, so it is actually giving everything in the form of array, 2D array. Anyway, I'm going to use this one, month 220 2000. Now if I want to print let's see, calendar dot calendar, and here if I give the year 2020, okay, let's see what is the output in this case. See, it is actually showing all the calendar of all the months. Maybe in a hasty way, but still it is showing the calendar of all the months. Okay, anyway, okay, so our next program will start with Fibonacci series, and that will be our today's last program. Okay, Fibonacci series. So write a program to generate Fibonacci series up to a given range. Okay, so this is our program. Now what is a Fibonacci series? A Fibonacci series is actually starting with two terms. First two terms are 0 and 1, and after that one, the next term is actually the sum of two previous terms. So if it starts with 0 and 1, the next one will be 1, sum of these two previous terms. The next one will be 2, 1 plus 1 2. Next one will be 2 plus 1 3. Next one will be 2 plus 3 5. Next one 3 plus 5 8. Then 8 plus 5 13, in this way. So this is actually the Fibonacci series. We are going to generate this Fibonacci series up to a range. Okay, so first of all we are going to take range as the user input. Say range or range is a predefined variable. Say I equals to int input enter the range or limit. Enter the range or limit. Okay, so after execution of this statement, the user will give us the value of I, that means the range. Okay, now after this one we are going to initiate the first term. First term x equals to 0, second term y equals to 1, third term z equals to 1, that means 0 plus 1 1. Now we have initialized. Now I'm going to print this first two terms. Print first term is x, second term is y, and at the end I'm going to stuff one space. Okay, this one. After doing this one, we are going to write one while loop. Okay, in this while loop we are going to check the sum set that is less than equals to the range I or not. Okay, so after doing this one, after this checking part, then we are going to print the value of z. Okay, so print value of z, and at the end I am again stuff one space. Okay, so from here, after printing z, we are going to change it. Like previously this is x, then it is y, this is z, like that. In the next turn, previous y become x, previous z become y. So in this way, so previous y become x, previous z become y, and z is actually equals to sum of x plus y. Okay, z is actually equal to sum of x plus y, and this is how the program will run. Let's run it, this program. Wait a minute, let me clear it. Again, I'm trying to run it. Yes, enter the range. Say I want to find out or generate Fibonacci series up to 50. Yes, 1 to this one. So next term will be 34 plus 21, so it will be 55. That is more than 50. So that's why the control come out of the loop. So this is how we can write the program for Fibonacci series. Okay, next day again we'll come with some concept as well as some new things with you and some programs. Okay, till then, thank you.